Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get travel insurance for Schengen visa. First, in your Google search bar, search for get travel insurance for Schengen visa, and you should be able to see a sponsored link that is from axaschengen.com. So just click on the Schengen travel insurance link, and from the website, click on get the code. And from here, just choose your travel insurance plan. If it's single trip insurance or annual insurance, then next is, of course, the number of insured persons. How many are children, adults, that is 18 to 64 years, 65 to 74 years, and adults over 75 years. And next is, of course, is the date when you are traveling. So the date from and the date of your return, of course. You can also enter in promotional code if you have one. Then proceed by clicking on view code. And lastly is, of course, choose your insurance. So here are the plans available and also the inclusions and prices. So just pick from any of this, then click on continue. Next is type in or enter in the insured details or the policyholder details. Just enter in the first name, last name, country of residence, email, date of birth, and nationality. And of course, the details of the insured. So the policyholder is a person traveling, so just fill in all the details in this page, and of course the consent. Make sure that you read and check the privacy policy, then proceed with continue. From here, the last step is just adding in your payment details and your mode of payment to pay for the fees, of course. And once payment is done, you have now successfully availed travel insurance for your Schengen visa. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!